back to this amazing channel. So you have seen in the thumbnail and title, so in this particular video I will be unboxing my LinkedIn swags that I just received today. Okay, so yeah, so for those who don't know me, myself Abhinav Awasthi, and I am SD intern at LinkedIn for this summer. So fine, so if you want more videos like this on my LinkedIn experience, LinkedIn internship, you can for sure subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram for daily updates, because it's very difficult for me to post videos daily, but yeah, I usually update with some post or something in Instagram and LinkedIn, so you can follow me there also. Okay, I will provide the link in the description box. So let's start with this amazing video. So yeah, so the first thing that we have got from LinkedIn as an intern is this amazing MacBook Pro. Yeah guys, so this is the Pro that we received from LinkedIn. So first of all, there's a doubt that people ask to me that क्या हमें ये वापस करना पड़ता है? So yes guys, we have to return this after our internship, after our duration, our internship duration, we have to return this particular laptop. Okay, it's not for us always. Okay, so yeah, so let's unbox it. Okay, cool, great. So you can see here that this is the MacBook Pro that we got. Okay, so you can see, you can compare it with my Air. So my one is Air, this is Pro. थोड़ा सा बड़ा है इससे, and थोड़ा सा weight भी इसका ज़्यादा है, but yeah, it's cool. अब मैंने इसे यूज़ किया हुआ है. I haven't found any difference in performance, but for sure होगा when we will do some heavy task. Okay, yeah, so this is the first thing that we have. So बाकी you know कि box में क्या क्या होता है. I'm not going to unbox the MacBook thing here. So that's the first thing that we got. It's the MacBook Pro that we got from LinkedIn. Okay, apart from that we have some stationery, some cool stationeries actually. Yeah, before that we have this adapter, you can say, because MacBook supports Type-C cable only, so it's something type of adapter from USB to Type-C, and it's basically for charging also, for safe charging. That is why we have got this. Okay, I haven't opened it yet. Okay, so yeah. Next we have these some amazing cool diaries, or you can say notebook, from LinkedIn, and they are eco-friendly actually guys, because they are 100% recycled, they can be, and they were not made from trees. Okay, we have these pens also. There's one cool thing about this pen, that these are plantable pens. So if it is visible, these are plantable pen. So each pen has some seed, like this pen has coriander seeds, and we can plant them. Yeah, so this is a pencil that we get from LinkedIn. Everything has a LinkedIn branding here if it is visible. Okay, great. So that was about, so this is what we get in office, and this is another cool t-shirt where it's written intern class of 2023. So this is all what we get in office. Okay, in our first day. And then this is a box that I received from USA. This also contains some amazing swag. मैंने अभी खोल के देखा इसे. So this is the main thing guys. Okay, let's open it. Fine. So great. So first of all, what we have here is, we have here this welcome message from LinkedIn. Welcome to LinkedIn. We have something about LinkedIn, the vision, culture, mission and values of LinkedIn. Okay, then we have these some cool stickers. Okay, yeah, they're really nice, about LinkedIn in day. Fine, then we have another t-shirt. There is a one cool thing about this t-shirt, that the color of this t-shirt is great. Yeah, I really love the color of this t-shirt. So it's something grayish blue, I can say, but yeah, it's cool. Usually I have black t-shirts which I usually get from companies. Like I have t-shirts from multiple companies, but usually they are black or dark blue. Okay, this is the first, or white. This is the first time I'm getting a green t-shirt and like this blue t-shirt, so it's great. Yeah. Apart from that, we have a socks too, and the socks also has a LinkedIn branding here. If you can see, it's written LinkedIn. Okay, that's it. Fine. Apart from that, here also we have a pen. It seems good, like they seems good, but they are not the cardboard one, they are the plastic pens. Okay, normal pen that we have. Then we have our diary. Okay, yeah, it's cool, I guess. It's a good diary, which has a LinkedIn branding in it. Okay. Next, okay, so this bottle is something good. So bottle काफी अच्छी है, if you will see, and the color of this bottle is also really good. So it's again blue, because blue is the theme color of LinkedIn. So yeah, you can see this is a cool bottle. Yeah, this is the bottle that we got. Great. And then we have these something cards in it, I guess. It's written things not on your LinkedIn profile. Yeah, we have some cards and there are some questions written on it. It's something like play cards, you can say, and trumps card, okay, something like that, which have some specific questions on it, just like truth dare thing. Okay. Yeah, so these are some cards. Let's keep it. But yeah, looks cool. It's written welcome in. Okay. Yeah. And then finally this last sticker, and that was all in this particular box. So yeah, guys, like you can see, this all is what we want from we have from LinkedIn. And guys, this is nothing in comparison to what else we are getting from LinkedIn. So we are getting a very fabulous experience, a very amazing experience that we will never forget. The experience of working at a big company, it's been just 1 week कि मैं काम कर रहा हूँ LinkedIn पे, but yeah, it feels really amazing. Nice culture, nice people, and nice office. Okay. And even they cared about our stay, and they gave us this 5-star hotel for the whole 3 month duration. I don't think कि किसी और कंपनी ने पूरे 3 महीने के लिए इतनी अच्छा स्टे दिया होगा. So yeah, apart from these goodies, I can say that LinkedIn is a good company, at least for the internship and for full time too. Yeah. So yeah, so that's all for this particular video. Again, I will remind you that if you wanted to stay updated with these updates like in internship and my experience, I'm trying to make some videos on office tour or something. But yeah, because it's been just 1 week, so I will take some time and will try to upload that too. But for that, you have to subscribe to the channel. Okay. Yeah, and you can follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram too for daily updates. See you in the next video. Thank you. Happy coding.